First, we have to find the domain of this function. When we have to find the domain, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which the function is defined. Let's see what we have here. We have in denominator square root. And we know that we can calculate square root only from positive numbers or 0. But because the square root is in denominator, we cannot have square root equals 0. So whatever is in this denominator, so 5x plus 10 must be greater than 0. We have to solve this inequality. We have 5x is greater from negative 10. Now we have to divide both sides by 5. 5 and 5 will cancel, and we have x is greater. 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. So we have number line x 0, negative 1, negative 2. X is greater, so negative 2 is not included, and it's going to the right side because it's greater. It means to positive infinity. We have open interval from negative 2 to positive infinity. This is our domain. Now we have to find the range. It means we have to find all values of y. Let's see what we have here. Numerator is positive always because we have 8. It's constant number. In denominator we have square root. The value of square root is always positive. So positive over positive will give us positive number always on the right side. So our range is all positive number greater than 0. We can draw number line. Have 0. 0 is not included. Y is greater than 0, so it's going to positive infinity. We have open interval from 0 to positive infinity. This is our range.